Okay, welcome to my channel. This video is going to be about a company contacting me from Amazon wanting to know if I would review their tools. So let me get the camera turned around where you can see these things, and let's get into it. All right, there's the company. VANPO, I guess is how you say that. Not really sure. Well, let's open it up and see what it is. You got some insulated screwdrivers, flat or slotted, however you want to call it, and Phillips. And then you got some different pliers and wire cutters, needle nose pliers. So let me get these out and show you a little bit better. Okay, now like I said, this company emailed me from Amazon, said they're an Amazon seller and wanted to know if I would review some of their products. And you know, they sent me a picture of what it was. Obviously I wouldn't have said yes if it was anything other than tools, you know. Never heard of this company or this brand of tools. When I seen the name, I thought it was just that was their name of, the tool seller on Amazon. I didn't know it was the actual name of the tools. Like I said, I've never heard of them. I have used them. I had to replace them. I mean, I didn't have to use the insulated ones necessarily, but I did just because I got them. I replaced, I don't know, like 8 outlets in the house and 5 switches, I think, light switches. Going from the old antique white to regular bright white. Anyway, so I have used them. In fact, I haven't used them all, but I have used this one and this one, and they don't really have that much wear on them, to be honest with you. Or they're not showing much wear, if any. But I'll hold that up. I guess you can see that. So I have used it. And I'll turn the camera around and show you the package that was, the little slip that was around this bag and everything, and show you the part numbers and all up close. But just in case you wanted to see. Now they do fit good in the hand. And like I said, I have used them. They're pretty nice. In fact, I think I even used this, the needle nose. Don't know anything about the brand. Don't know how long they're going to hold up. Haven't heard anybody else say anything about the brand, so I don't really know. But they did do what they're supposed to do so far. Like I said in all the other review videos, if I have any problems with them, I'll let you know. And you might want to check this company on Amazon to see what kind of warranty they have, because they didn't tell me, and I haven't checked yet, so I'm not sure. We're going to look at the package in a minute and see if it says where they're made and anything about a warranty. So I guess let's get that off, or get the camera off the tripod and come in closer and look at these a little closer. I can show you some of them. Like I said, I've used this one. I just showed you this one. Set it off to the side. I'll still come up close, a close-up shot on them. Hold on just a minute. Let me change glasses so I can see a little better. That's better. Yeah, now I can see pretty good. Like I said, as you can see, it doesn't say, I guess you can see that. Doesn't say anything about a warranty on here. Shows the part numbers and all that kind of stuff. They don't, or not the warranty, but where it's made rather. Now I will say on some of them, or a couple of them, like this one here, it looks like the name. It looks like it's just on there with ink anyway, but it looks like it's trying to wear off. And where'd it go? Oh, this one. This one here. Can you see that? I guess you can see that from the glare. See how it's kind of worn off from me using them, I guess. Okay. Here is the little package that it was wrapped around the bag. Hopefully you can see all this. There's all the different sizes. Now we'll flip it over, look at the other side. It says the exact same thing. And nothing on that end. Nothing on that end. Doesn't say anything about a warranty or where they're made. That's a little concerning. I mean, they may say it on their website or, you know, on the Amazon, but you'd think they'd have it on their product somewhere. Let's get a closer look at pliers. Well, let's try to get a closer look anyway. Nothing about where they're made. And that side says the same thing, and you see it's kind of trying to rub off. I don't know. They seem to be okay, but you know, there again, you really never know. And again, it says the numbers. I don't know why this camera ain't doing right. As a matter of fact, I think I've used, if I remember correctly, I used that too. I've had these for about a month, I think. I'm not sure. I'd have to go back and look at the email to see exactly when I got them. But I wanted to use them a little bit before I said anything about them because I've never heard of this brand before. I don't want to come on here and say, oh yeah, they're great, and people go buy them when they're not, or if they're not, and get mad at me, you know. Just like anything, just because one person has bad luck with a tool don't mean everybody will, or you know, a certain brand I know people that's had bad luck with Matco ratchets. I've got two. They're old, and I've never broke them. They've never stripped out or anything, so, you know, there that is. Like I said, just because, and I've had tools that I have had bad luck with, and just because I have, don't mean you will. Just all depends on how you use them. Anyway, I just wanted to show you. They're not in order of the way they was in this pack, but I'm just going to scan over them and show you the part numbers and everything. And you can see this one here, how it's looks like it's kind of rubbed off the name, or you know, yeah, the name and the size, whatever, part number. I don't know if they're all going to do that or not. Anyway, that's all I got for this video. I guess you could be your own judge on this one. Like I said, I have used them. I'm pretty sure I've used it. Yeah, I used that one doing the TV. And where'd it go? Oh yeah, that one. I haven't used those two. So I have used all of them but two. I haven't used the pliers. I'm thinking, if I remember correctly, I did use the wire cutters, but I know I used the needle nose. I don't know. I don't think they're quite the same quality as the Weehaw stuff I got. I got insulated tools from them too. They're great. These are okay, but I don't know much more about it, so I can't really tell you, other than I have used them to replace some outlets and switches in the house. We'll see. If I have any problems with them, I'll let you know. But that's all I got for this one. Like always, like, comment, share, subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.